How to reset your Facebook password if you forget it. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application on your device over here. As you launch the Facebook application, tap on the mobile number or email. So just enter your email ID and then here under the option of password, tap on forgot password over here. So as a tap on forgot password, here you have to either enter your phone number or you can just select your email ID, and it also helps you choose your account by your email ID. So you can just choose your account over here, and as you choose your account, it will land us to a new page over here where it will automatically log in to you to your account over here if you have saved your passwords over here. If not, you'll be able to reset by contacting the Facebook support team and then they'll help you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.